On number 5 we have Estimate. Estimate not only clean Android temporary files, it also analyze and clean duplicate files. You can also analyze and delete files which are large in size using Storage Analyzer feature. With Estimate you can control your startup applications. You can also clean app cache, advertisements files, bug reporting files, analytics related files, WhatsApp sent or received files, old WhatsApp backup files. On number 4 we have Fitvate app. Fitvate will help you to achieve great results within a short period of time. Use app workout plans as your personal trainer and see your body improve fast. This app contains detailed description and video for each exercise. Furthermore, this app provides workout routines for bodybuilding, fat loss, Massachusetts gain, powerlifting and gain strength. All exercise videos, images and description are available offline in the app, so there is no need of internet. On number 3 we have a download manager IDM. IDM Plus is the fastest and most advanced download manager accessible on Android devices. It supports pause and resume with supported links for interrupted downloads. You can download audio and video from almost any website. It supports all formats: music, archive files, video, documents, programs, APK, etc. IDM can download files up to 32 simultaneous paths per download. Number 2 is YouTube Vanced. YouTube Vanced is an official modified YouTube app that supports picture-in-picture playback, background playing, and also this app disable every YouTube ads, so that you can enjoy your videos without ads. YouTube Premium is ad-free and support background playback, so unofficially you get YouTube Premium features for free. Now number 1 app of the month is Tasker. Tasker is most popular automate app for Android. You can fully automate your Android phone through Tasker. You can send birthday wishes automatically, records call, change wallpaper for specific conditions like birthday, festival, lock your apps when you are out of home, send emergency SMS for low battery, ring mobile for specific SMS, and many more. You can check description for Tasker tutorials. Comment your favorite app out of these 5. Thanks for watching. Subscribe channel to get monthly top 5 apps and weekly tutorial on these apps.